Now let's do this video. You can see the question is today's challenge. And then no company asking this question, but it's fine. Now let's go through this question. And then you can see that it's fine. The student that will replace the truck. And you can go through a description first. And then here you can see the input. We have the array and the k. And you can see here explanation. Now we have three students. Each student use the number of truck, right? And then we have K. And student 0 use 5 truck. So K equal to 17, right? Because 22 minus 5 equal to 17. And then 16. And then 11. And then keep doing this truck array until you say the student number 0 does not have enough truck, so then we have to replace it. So the question just say we need to return which student cannot have enough truck, right? We need to find a student and then we need to replace it. How to do that? So now let me copy this one, put it here. Now you can see it's 5 1 5, but you can see you see the explanation is saying we need to keep going through this array again and again, right? I would say it's cycle array, but and then we go to here. Okay, the k is 22, right? Okay, smaller is fine. Now we go back, or we just go down, see the constraint. You can see in the k is really really big, right? It's 10 to power 9. So for example, it's 22. Okay, it's fine. We just run this array 2 times. For it still have possible having maybe the k equal to, okay, 999. Okay, it's still fine, right? But if we add more zero here, so how many do we run this array? How many times? It's so many times, right? So finally we will get the time limit exceed, definitely, right? So we cannot run this array again and again. So here, how to do that? So we need to sum of this truck, the number of truck. Now how many here? It's 11, right? Now let me try the first k. The original k is 21, right? Is 22, sorry. So now we got the sum of the number of truck here, 11, right? So now we need to multiply. We need to get a remainder. So we don't need to go through this array again and again. Just take much time on it. So next we need to get a remainder. Okay, how many here? It definitely needs 0, right? Which means is ner 5 is index 0. We need to return this one. Now let's go back the explanation. So you can see still the number 0 doesn't have enough truck, right? Now let's see the second example here. So now we let me try the second example here. So we need to sum up how many 7 8 10, right? It's 10. Okay, now we're k multiply 10. So we know here still have 5. 5 is our remainder, right? So now when we get this 5, and then we just go through the array once, just only one time, no 2 times. Because the 5, the k become the 5, right? So it's not possible running this array 2 times. Now the 5, now let's go through this array. Let me remove this one. So for the first student, okay, first student use the 3 truck, right? Minus 3. How many left? It's still 2, right? The 2, we need to go to the second student. The second student use 4 truck, right? So it's not enough truck we still have. So we need to replace in second student. Now let's see in output. You can see in the 1, right? So because student from the 0, 1. So that's why it's return 1. So I think you have ideas to do this one, right? Now let's start implement this one. The first step we need to get here we have to use the room because you can see 10 to power 5 is really big. So here we need to get a room number to sum of the truck. Okay. Now when we get the sum, and then we need to get a remainder. So now here we need to go to the array and then find which student need to replace. Now here, if the k minus the truck I is greater than equal to 0, okay. K minus now otherwise if the first condition not executed or I would say it's not satisfied in the first condition, which means we don't have enough truck to use, right? Now here we need to return the student the I and we need to provide -1. -1 is nothing because here this return statement will come first, right? So this one never get executed. So now run it. No, okay. The problem is sorry here. Okay. Now run it. You can see it passed all the test case here. Not submitted. Yeah, you see it's almost be 100% here. And thank you for watching. The time capacity is p of n, even though I go through this array 2 times, but we don't need to consider the constant. So finally, the time capacity is p of n. The space capacity is p of 1 because I didn't use HR memory here. And I thank you for watching this video.